welcome to Vanlife VanGaming, and here's a little review about or of the Renogy 1 M1 battery monitor. Today we'll be taking a closer look at this exciting new product and discussing its features and benefits. But before we start talking about it, let's quickly have a quick unboxing of it. So here's a quick guide to basically help you do it, and it's so shiny paper. Ooh. Okay, and in this box, very neat setup, very neat. Probably wouldn't be neat after I put it back. Okay, so here's the wires that comes with it, and here is the main person of the show, apart from me, the Renogy 1 M1. So first off, let's talk about what the Renogy 1 M1 battery monitor actually is. In short, it's a device that helps you to keep track of performance of your battery system. It's designed to work with Renogy's lithium-ion batteries, but it's also compatible with other types of batteries as well. So what makes this battery monitor special? Well, there are a few key features that really set it apart from other monitors on the market. One of the main benefits of the Renogy 1 M1 is its user-friendly interface. The monitor is very easy to set up and use, even if you don't have a lot of technical experience or expertise. The display is clear and intuitive, and it provides you with all the information you need to monitor your battery system in real life. That's the correct way of saying it. Another great feature of the Renogy 1 M1 is its accuracy. The monitor uses advanced algorithms to track your battery's performance, and it provides you with precise information about its state of charge, voltage, and other important metrics. This means you can always be sure that you're getting accurate readings, which is essential for optimizing the performance of your battery system. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Renogy 1 M1 is its versatility, I should say. The monitor can be used with a wide range of battery systems, from small solar setups to larger off-grid system setups. It's also compatible with a variety of Renogy products, including the Rover MPPT charge controller and the Phoenix portable generator. So we're going to be clearing off this little area here, and this will actually be replacing the Victron Energy. This little thing here, even though it's a lot smaller, we're going to clear this off and start putting it on, and we'll do a bit more of a review after we've done it, and we'll show you a bit more. Right, let's get to it. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Right, let's get to it. Right guys, so we just finished putting it in, and it was fairly easy. All we had to do is really connect two wires into it. But let me show you basically how it works. So as you guys know, this is a touch screen one. Over here it shows how much percent you have. It just says 100, now it says 99% we've got. We're using 7.614 amps, we're not gaining anything. And we've got apparently 1 day and 15 hours. If you click on battery, you can see all the different batteries, and you can make sure they've got different health. As you can see, we've got 3 separate batteries, like different ones. You can make sure they're doing alright and making sure that they're basically working alright and fine. DC to DC is you can check how many, so as you can see here, house battery volts, how many house battery volts you've got, and start battery volts, how many start battery volts you've got. If we go on to devices here, you can see that we've got 2. You can add more. As you can see, we have more than one. So if you want to have like alarms or like motion sensors, like things like that, you can connect it to these. So like on the van, so if you're going away and you've got motion sensors, it can basically send a notification to your phone or something like that. and then you will know if and this is basically what the battery does. We don't have anything for these buttons, but on this we have the fridge instead of having a button here that we keep accidentally knocking. So that's very helpful, and we've got 2 more spaces left. This turns it on and this turns it off. The monitor also has a number of customizable alerts and alarms which can be set up to notify you when your battery is running low or when there's a problem with your system. This is a great feature for anyone who wants to stay on top of their battery's performance and ensure that it's always operating at its best. Another great feature of the Renogy One M1 is its compatibility with Renogy's remote monitoring system. This app allows you to monitor your battery system from your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are. You can view real-time data, set up alerts and alarms, and even remotely control your system from the app. So what's the verdict on the Renogy One M1 battery monitor? Well, we think it's an excellent product that offers a lot of value for its price. Its user-friendly interface, accuracy, and versatility makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to optimize the performance of their battery system. If you're interested in purchasing the Renogy One M1, you can find it on the Renogy's website or at select retailers. We hope you found this review helpful, and we encourage you to check out this exciting new product for yourself. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I will see you guys later. And remember, stay awesome, and remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Bye! And guys, wait. Just before you go, I want to tell you guys about our friend Chris, or should I say Destination Vanlife. We will link his channel down below, but he has just started his very own Patreon, which he's going to use all the proceeds and funds to help buy him a van. So please guys, go check him out and subscribe. He is very awesome, and please help him reach his goal of getting a new van. And remember, we also have super thanks as well. Alright, bye!